Hello, I am Goran and welcome to another Lupus in Fabula video. Today we are going to talk about the connection between dogs and wolves and also whether in every cute little puppy lies a dangerous wolf. Scientists are still trying to get to the bottom of why people tamed and domesticated wolves. Recent genetic research with DNA taken from various bones found in several archaeological sites tell us that dogs appeared some 15,000 or 20,000 years ago, when people still lived in nomadic tribes, hunting and gathering. Mark Dare, author of the book called How the Dog Became the Dog, From Wolves to Our Best Friends, said in an interview that the dog is a creation of wolves and humans, of two equal beings that came together at a certain time in history and have been together ever since. Still, after all those years as a domestic animal, Canis lupus familiaris is a very close relative to grey wolf, Canis lupus, with whom he shares almost 99.8% of genetic code. Maybe that is the reason why dogs see the world like their wild ancestors. You should only watch your pet while it plays with a toy or with some object and then see his hunter instinct. For example, while he is chasing the thrown ball, he is focused on it like on a prey. Dog tries to catch the ball before it hits the ground, and when he catches it, he shakes it in his mouth, thus showing the face of a predator. Scientists say that wolves, while in pack, rarely hunted big prey, like deer for example. They were more focused on small prey. That habit remained also with our beloved barking pets. They are manifesting it when they are choosing the toys, which resemble to small prey. By the way, big game hunting for wolves started only after humans and wolves started to cohabit. Hound dogs and sheepdogs have striking resemblance to wolves. Sheepdogs pick an area where they want a herd of sheep to be and just run in circle, keeping sheep in that place, like a pack of wolves would do with the prey. But a lot of scientists point out differences between these two creatures. They say that dogs are more sensitive to the commands given by humans. The thing that separates dogs from wolves is their sociable nature. Also, if you were to watch a wolf run, you would notice that its back remains perfectly flat. In contrast, dogs have very wide hips and chests and rather short legs in comparison to their body size. This is the reason that dogs' backs tend to bob up and down when they run. Wolves have larger skulls because they have bigger brains. Adult dogs are about as intelligent as wolf cubs. There is a wide popular belief that dogs don't differ other dogs from humans, while wolves can spot easily if another wolf is from their pack or not. To determine how dogs react, scientists have many different methods. In one such research, scientists from Emory University in Atlanta did the experiment involving 12 dogs of various breeds. Dogs were presented with 5 different smells: of known person, of unknown person, of known dog, of unknown dog, and their own smell. Out of all of them, dogs had the strongest reaction to the one of known person, which was the human that lived in the subject's household. There are two explanations to this kind of behavior. One, subject dog is associating the smell with the food and the reaction in its brain is what is known as Pavlov reflex. Other explanation is that this reaction that dog has is sign of affection and love towards the human. In University in Vienna, there is a science center for studying wolves. There, the dog puppies and wolf puppies are raised the same way. Researchers spent 5 months with this group of wolves and dogs. They slept and ate and played and lived with the animals. And, according to them, wolves, like dogs, like to be pet and like to play, same as dogs. Not only that, but wolves responded to simple commands given by people, and, in some cases, better than dogs. Still, there is a clear difference between them in how they react to one another and to humans. And if one day, by chance or something else, wolves become more sociable, scientists warn that still great caution around them is advised. That's all for now. Thank you for watching.